Bill Morphy from Mike Mutes again. This is part 2. I wanted to tell you a little more about this unit and to give you an update on a little hardware. First of all, I forgot to mention that this unit's available at 2012 price for about $229. And I also didn't say that this is not waterproof like the Zumos are for the motorcycle, the 650, 660. And also the RAM mount uses that part number for that RAM mount. I also wanted to tell you about this, some more features on this GPS, in that it has a lane assist thing on there that's pretty cool. And this is a layover that's on the display when you buy it for, they show you, it just gives you an idea what to expect. But as you approach major intersections, major exits, and such on the interstates, it actually gives you an image of what a photo image would be. It's not an actual photo; it's an animated picture, but pretty darn close as to what to expect when you're approaching that intersection. So you can see where your ramps are and where you're gonna turn and get off and not get off. So it's pretty useful. Now I also wanted to demonstrate the voice functions on here. Voice command.
Say a command.
View map. Voice command.
Say a command.
Down. Brightness.
Brightness is at 50%.
70%.
Brightness is at 70%.
100%.
Brightness is at 100%.
50%.
Brightness is at 50%.
Back.
Main menu.
Find category.
Speak a category.
Restaurant.
Select a subcategory.
Barbecue.
Searching for barbecue.
Down.
Select a line number.
Down. Down. 2.
Would you like to begin navigation?
No.
Select a line number.
Back.
Select a subcategory.
Back.
Speak a category.
Back.
Main menu.
What do we want to do? Up. Up. View map. So that's the voice navigation.
Say a command.
Shut up. Didn't want this. Back. Exit. It's like, I guess it's like my wife's dog when I use the word ball. You can't say ball and you can't say walk because it reacts to it. But anyway, what I intend to do is I come across these little 3.5 millimeter audio jacks, a surplus store, and they're pretty small. And somehow I'm going to integrate these with the case here. I don't know if I'm going to put them inside. I don't really think I have enough room to put them inside. I might have to just glue them somehow to the back of this thing, and then drill the holes and bring wiring out. Now, just simply an audio cable, something like this for the in and the out, and they're going to be the same. They're not. It's going to be trial and error when I plug it in as to which is input and which is output. But because of the smallness of these things, I haven't been able to find any that are any smaller than this. They're pretty tiny, and they are shorting connectors that when you plug the jack in, it opens the circuit. Remove the jack, it shorts the circuit, and that's important for the microphone to allow the microphone to work normally when you remove it from the bike and want to use it in the car. Not so important for the speaker. The speaker could play all the time, that's not a concern, but the microphone, I want to cut this microphone out when I'm on the bike because I don't want the wind and road noise that this microphone is injecting into the navigation to compete with my own voice coming from the intercom. There's going to be enough wind noise coming from the intercom. And I'm going to do some fancy things too with mic mutes to be able to turn my microphone on and off to be able to hear navigation and hear phone calls better. And I'll post a schematic soon. I haven't put that together yet, but I intend to do just a simple little drawing as to the audio interface that I'm using and how it's done, and we'll see how it comes together. One thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to use capacitive coupling to completely isolate any potential DC current from the bike to the GPS and vice versa. I don't want that to happen. That's a bad thing. So capacitive coupling on both the ground and the signal leads is going to prevent that. And besides that, I've tested this. I opened it up and I made measurements. The black leads on the audio for the microphone and the audio for the speaker are not common ground. So don't be fooled into thinking that you could take that black lead and make it common to both circuits and just bring 3 wires out for your your audio in, audio out, and common ground. Can't do that. You got to bring separate negative lead or whatever's on that black. You got to bring them out, in and out. So that's it for now, and next time I will be have something together, I hope.